Hey everyone, welcome to Nourish Nest. Are you ready to unlock the secret to glowing, flawless skin? Believe it or not, the key to that radiant glow isn't just in your skincare routine, it's also on your plate. In today's video, we're diving into food for flawless skin, a guide to eating for glowing skin. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to nourish your skin from the inside out. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Understanding the skin-food connection. First, let's talk about how the food you eat impacts your skin. Think of your skin as a mirror, it reflects what's going on inside your body. When you nourish yourself with the right foods, your skin will naturally start to glow. On the flip side, if your diet lacks essential nutrients, you might notice dullness, dryness, or even breakouts. Here's why. Your skin relies on vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to repair itself, stay hydrated, and fight off damage from free radicals. So yes, beauty truly starts from within. Section 2. Essential foods for radiant skin. Alright, now let's talk about the foods that your skin absolutely loves. First up, antioxidant-rich foods like berries, dark chocolate, and spinach. These fight off free radicals, which are responsible for aging and dullness. Next, we have collagen-boosting foods. Citrus fruits, eggs, and even bone broth can help keep your skin firm and elastic. And don't forget hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens. These keep your skin plump and moisturized from within. Incorporating these foods into your meals will make a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and glow. Section 3. Simple Recipe Showcases. Now, let's put these foods to good use with some simple, skin-loving recipes. First, a quick and easy glowing skin smoothie bowl. Blend antioxidant-packed berries, a handful of spinach, and some chia seeds for a boost of omega-3s. Top it off with a sprinkle of nuts for crunch, and you've got a delicious snack that your skin will thank you for. For dinner, how about grilled salmon paired with roasted sweet potatoes and creamy avocado? This dish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, everything you need for a healthy, glowing complexion. Section 4. Lifestyle habits for optimal skin health. Of course, it's not just about food. Your overall lifestyle plays a big role in how your skin looks and feels. Here are 3 essential habits to keep in mind. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. 2. Beauty sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to give your skin time to repair and rejuvenate. And 3. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and breakouts, so find ways to relax, whether it's yoga, meditation, or even just taking a walk in nature. Section 5. Skin Glow Routine Recap. Let's quickly recap. For glowing skin, focus on eating antioxidant-rich, collagen-boosting, and hydrating foods. Pair that with healthy habits like staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Remember, achieving flawless skin takes time and consistency, but with these tips, you're well on your way to a radiant complexion. Outro, friendly and encouraging tone. Now, it's your turn. Which of these foods or habits are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nourish Nest for more amazing tips and recipes for healthier skin and a healthier you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.